Google Chrome is one of the most lightweight, fastest and secure web browser out there. According to latest web stats, Chrome occupies 62% market share, making it industry-leading cross-platforms web browser worldwide. What's make Chrome stand out is its unique features, stability, and ease of use. Chrome supports over 150,000 tools and extensions that makes it highly customizable for any individual with any background. Find out which version of Google Chrome you are currently using or how to update Chrome to the latest version to get optimal security and browsing experience. In this complete guide we will let you know how to check your version of Chrome browser, also the easiest way to update it to the latest and most secure version. Click on Customize and Control Google Chrome menu located in the top right corner of your Chrome window. Then click on Settings to open Chrome settings page. Click the Settings menu in the top left corner and from here you can see About Chrome menu. Click to open it. Most cases Chrome starts checking for updates automatically, or click on Update Google Chrome button. If you seeing the message Google Chrome is up to date, then you are using the latest version of Chrome web browser. If you are facing any error while updating, then click on the arrow in front of Report an Issue. A form will pops up. Provide additional info if any and send the form. Your issue will be resolved on priority basis, and once it's resolved you can update your Chrome version.